Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your system can run Directx 11. Open DXdiag to check the installed Directx version and note your GPU model. Once done, make sure Windows Update is current because many Directx components install through updates. Next, update your graphics drivers. This often includes Directx runtime fixes. If your driver tool offers an automatic scan, run it. Otherwise, use Device Manager to search for updates. These steps prepare your PC so the Directx runtime installs cleanly. Now you'll install or repair the Directx runtime that programs need. If DXdiag showed an older version or missing components, run the Directx End-User Runtime Installer and choose Install or Repair. During setup, accept the license and let the installer add missing DLLs and redistributables. Make sure to close games and graphics apps before proceeding because files won't update while in use. Once the installer finishes, restart your PC so drivers and runtime files register properly and applications can detect Directx 11. Finish by verifying that Directx 11 is active. Run DXdiag again and check the Directx version line. If a game still fails to use Directx 11, reinstall your GPU drivers using a clean or custom install to remove old files and ensure compatibility. If problems persist, roll back recent Windows updates or use System Restore to a point before the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: corrupted DLLs often cause failures, so run sfc/scano to repair system files before repeating the install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.